Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to get 4K 60 quality on CapCut. Let's begin. Tap new project and select your clip. Tap adjust and select graph. Follow all my settings. Tap effects and select lens blur effect. Export video. Click this. Delete blur effect. Delete adjust. Tap only and select edit video. Tap blend and select burn 30. Again add overlay and select white background. Tap blend and select overlay. Click adjust. Contrast -2. Saturation +30. Brilliance +6. Sharpen 100. Highlight -15. Shadow +15. Temperature -8. Your video is ready. Export video. Thanks for watching.